Okay, so I know I need a workbench. That's pretty much it. I'm not really sure how tall I'm gonna make it just yet, but I don't want it to have shelves, so I just went and got a bunch of wood from Home Depot, and I'm just gonna just kind of wing it, you know, and just let it come together naturally, you know. So yeah, see how it goes. What's up, Beta? You ready to work? She's hot. It's hot out here. But yeah, I got some wood, some particle board. Let's get to work. First, I cut the legs out of the 4x4s. I want them all to be the same length. I taped them all together and sanded the tops to get out all the imperfections. However, I feel as though I could have saved a lot of time by putting on the wheels last after everything was already assembled, but you know, hey, you live and you learn. I don't recommend working on the bed of a truck. It's not the most level nor the most comfortable place to work, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, hence why I need a workbench. All right, that's what we're working with. I like it. It's nice. It's tall enough for me. You know, it has enough space. It moves. It rolls around just like I wanted to, just so I could bring it outside and work on things. You know, it's like the right height. It's no complaints, no complaints. Now it's just time to put the top on this bad boy. Let's go. Note to self: probably don't need 4 wheels that lock, but I guess it doesn't hurt. Probably just need like maybe 1 or 2 wheels that lock. Probably could save myself a couple dollars, but hey, maybe I could save you a couple dollars. For the top piece, I take precise measurements and draw it out on the board I have laying on the floor. I use the guidelines to keep my cut straight and precise, then go around the table, screwing it back into place. Then simply repeat the same steps for the bottom piece. All right, now for the most delicate part, we're gonna put the trim on this thing, and every cut needs to be perfect and precise because we gotta line it up and it's gotta be on point, or else I won't be happy because I like my stuff just on point. You know, that's just how I like my thing. So all right, I asked Instagram, and they want me to put a shelf on it. So let's see if we can put a shelf on it. I got about let I'm pretending to check my watch, but no, yeah, I got like 2 hours before I gotta do this meeting. So let's see if we can put this shelf on in a matter of 2 hours. Let's get started. If you'd like to see some more content like this, make sure you hit that like button, press that subscribe button, leave a comment, man. Let me know what you guys are thinking about, you know? Oh, it's detail. All the colors. I like it. Nah, I'm saying though, you know, we just went with a bunch of different colors, and we got sparkles in there, got a cool little shine to it, you know. You know, I want it to just be like a rainbow rock. It reminds me of like rainbow sherbet, you know what I'm saying? I imagine having a bunch of rainbow sherbet and just like bam, spilling all over the countertop.